Hey YouTube, this is Space Dragon 787 and I am making a deck profile of 6 Samurai Warrior deck. So for this deck I'm using 2 Kagekis. They are good cards, they can bring out another 6 Samurai monster. Then I'm playing 6 Samurai Kizan. Then 3 more legendary 6 Samurai monsters. One is Shinai, one is Mizuho, and one is Enishi. So this is for legendary 6 Samurai. For 6 Samurais I'm playing 1 Iro, 1 Nenishi, 1 Yaichi, 1 Kamon, 1 Yariza and 1 Zanji. Only one copy of each because I don't want another copy in this deck. So this is fine. Then I'm playing 2 Enishi, Shiin's Counselor. Good cards to destroy opponent's monsters and 2200 attack. You can banish 2 6 Samurais to special summon this card. Then I'm playing 1 Grandmaster of the 6 Samurai. It has a very good ability, it can special summon itself and 2100 attack. Then I'm playing 1 Grey Shogun Shien. If you have 2 or more 6 Samurai monsters, you can special summon him and opponent can only activate 1 trap and 1 spell in a turn. Then I'm playing 1 Kagemusha, 1 Road Synchron, 1 Arcane Apprentice, 1 Junk Synchron. These four are the tuner of this deck. And with Arcane Apprentice, if you use him to tune any monster, you can get a Adult mode activate, and which is pretty good. Then you can do Adult mode activate and bring out any Adult mode monster. So that's for tuners. Then I'm playing 1 Summoner Monk. Pretty good card. If you discard a spell card, you can bring out any 6 Samurai monster level 4 and then you can just exceed him into Utopia or anything else. Then Salvage Warrior. This guy, if you have a monster, you can just tribute him to bring out Salvage Warrior, and then his effect will allow you to bring out any tuner from these 4. And you can go for a level 8 synchro, level 7 or even level 9 synchro. And if you use him with Arcane Apprentice, just synchro him, you will get a Adult mode activate in your hand and then you can use it or just set it on the field and wait for some turns. Then I'm playing 1 Stardust Dragon Adult mode. In this deck, because I have Arcane Apprentice also, and this Stardust Dragon is very good because he can negate the effects of spell and traps, which is very good for 6 Samurai monsters because 6 Samurais always get destroyed when opponent uses spell or traps. Otherwise you can fill the field very quick. So he's a good card in this deck. Then for spells I'm playing 1 Temple of the 6 Samurai. It's a good card. It's like Burden of the Mighty, but you can use it. I don't have another one, but I have proxied it. So you can say I have 2. I have proxied it. Yeah, 2 6 Samurai Temple of the 6. Then I'm playing 1 6 Samurai United, 1 Gateway to 6 and 1 Shiin's Dojo. These 3 cards are very good. 6 Samurai United will act as a draw engine for you. Gateway of the 6 will act like power up and other things. You have to put him in play and wish that it stays for whole duel, then you can maybe win also. Shiin's Dojo 2, like you can remove Bushido counters from this thing and then you can special summon any 6 Samurai Shiin effect monster. Then I'm playing 2 reinforcement of the army. If you have any 6 Samurai like Kageki, you want another, you can just use reinforcement to get another and then call Kageki, his effect, special summon 1 more 6 Samurai monster and then you can go exceed or use other 6 Samurai's effect. Then I'm playing 1 Warrior Returning Alive. If you want any warrior in your hand that is in the graveyard, you can just use this card and you will get it in your hand. and you can take Junk Warrior, Junk Synchron, call Junk Synchron, then a level 2 monster will come, then you can synchro him into Junk Warrior. Then we are playing the A Forces and one United We Stand. These two I am playing because they will power up my warriors, and if I power up Yaritza, he can just attack directly, which is pretty good. And the A Forces is very good for this deck. I will show you why. Then I'm playing one Scapegoat. Just use Scapegoat. In the next turn you can use United We Stand into Yaritza. Yaritza will get 5000 more attack, 6000 attack, 6000 attack, and you have to, with Yaritza there should be another 6 samurai only, then you can use this effect of Yaritza. One Pot of Avarice and one MST to destroy spell and trap cards. Because you are playing with Kamon and Yaichi, you can use the effect. So I'm only using one MST, one Pot of Avarice to recycle my 6 samurais and then draw 2 cards. For traps I'm playing double-edged sword technique and return of the 6 samurai. You can use double-edged sword technique, bring out 6 samurai monsters, exceed them into a level 4 or level 3. Return of the 6 samurai will help you if opponent's monster declares an attack, you don't have anything on the field, use this card, a 6 samurai monster will come and then you can be safe. Then I'm playing one Swift Strike Armor. Just use it if you draw any 6 samurai, you can special summon it, which is pretty good. Then you can easily fill the field, like 4 or 5 6 samurais will be there in a turn if you use it correctly. One Changing Destiny, one Tokuritsu Armor, one Mirror Force. These 3 will stop the attack of opponents, destroy opponent's monster, all of them, destroy the attacking monster, will change the opponent monster to defense position. You can just gain life points equal to half of its attack, or you can damage them. And one Adult Mode activate. So this is for the deck, hope you like it. And for extra deck I'm playing one Gravity Warrior, pretty good card for warriors, one Road Synchron, one Junk Warrior, one Colossal Fighter. And for Exceeds I'm playing 6 Exceeds, number 39 Utopia, number 17 Leviathan Dragon, and Photon Strike Bouncer, Swordbreaker, Shadow of the Six, and one Illuminate. And in this decks I have ordered Stardust Dragon. It should be here in about 1 week, and when it will come I will put it in my deck, because I also know you cannot get him out if there's no Stardust Dragon, and he's a pretty good card. So hope you like this video.